In a quiet village nestled amongst rolling hills lived a fair maiden named Elara. 20 summers had graced her with beauty, her eyes the color of a summer sky and her hair like spun gold. Though her family was poor, their hearts were rich with love. Their small cottage echoed with laughter and warmth. Elara, a lover of stories and dreams, yearned for a life beyond the village borders. One sunny afternoon, she ventured to the bustling village marketplace. There, amidst the colorful stalls, she encountered a handsome young man named Lucian. He was tall and possessed a charming demeanor, his hair as dark as midnight and his smile radiating kindness. Lucian hailed from a wealthy family, their estate vast and their influence considerable. Elara and Lucian quickly formed a bond of friendship. They spent countless hours in each other's company, sharing secrets and dreams as they strolled through sun-drenched meadows and along the tranquil riverbanks. A deep affection blossomed between them. One day, under the shade of an ancient oak tree, Lucian confessed his love for Elara. "Elara," he declared, "I love you. Will you be my wife?" Overjoyed, Elara returned his affections, whispering, "Yes, Lucian, my heart is yours." They embraced, their future painted with hopeful hues. However, their happiness was threatened by a looming obstacle. Lucian's parents disapproved of Elara, believing her social standing unworthy of their son. "Lucian," his mother insisted, "you cannot marry Elara. She is not of our class." His father echoed her sentiments, urging him to seek a bride from a family of wealth and prestige. Lucian was distraught. His love for Elara was unwavering, and he refused to abandon her. He pleaded with his parents, "I love Elara. She is kind and virtuous. Material possessions are of no consequence to me." But his parents remained unmoved, threatening to disown him should he defy their wishes. Elara, aware of the family's disapproval, was heartbroken. She loved Lucian deeply, but she would not be the cause of his suffering. Tears welled in her eyes as she told him, "Perhaps it is best if we part ways. I cannot bear to bring such discord into your life." Lucian protested, "No, Elara, my love for you is eternal. We will find a solution." Days turned into weeks, and Lucian tried tirelessly to sway his parents' opinions, but their resolve was unshakable. Elara's family, witnessing her sorrow, also offered words of comfort. Her mother advised, "Elara, we cherish your happiness, but perhaps it is wise to let Lucian go." Elara spent many sleepless nights wrestling with her heart, torn between her love for Lucian and her desire to protect him. Finally, she resolved to speak with Lucian. "My dearest Lucian," she began, "my love for you is immeasurable, but I believe it is best if we do not wed. Your parents will never accept me, and I cannot be the source of your pain." Lucian's heart ached with despair. "Elara, my life is meaningless without you," he confessed, "but I understand. Know that my love for you will never fade." They clung to each other, their tears mingling, knowing their love was a powerful force, yet powerless against the rigid boundaries of their world. They made a pact to remain friends, promising unwavering support, but their hearts were heavy with the weight of what could never be. Elara remained in her village, working diligently to support her family. Lucian, too, continued his life, but Elara's memory remained etched in his heart. Years drifted by, and their love, though unspoken, endured. They understood that love sometimes demands sacrifice. They learned that life can be challenging, but their love remained a flickering ember in their souls. Elara became a pillar of her community, her kindness and generosity touching the lives of all who knew her. Lucian, equally, distinguished himself in his family's business, earning respect and admiration. When Elara's father fell gravely ill, Lucian, upon hearing the news, rushed to her side. "Elara," he said, his voice filled with concern, "I was so sorry to hear about your father. How can I help?" Touched by his compassion, Elara replied, "Thank you, Lucian. Your support means the world to me." Lucian provided medicine and nourishment for Elara's family, visiting them regularly. With Lucian's help, Elara's father slowly recovered. Elara expressed her gratitude. "Lucian, you have a truly generous heart. Thank you for everything." Lucian simply smiled and said, "Elara, I will always be there for you." Their renewed proximity rekindled their feelings. They knew their love still burned bright, but they also recognized the insurmountable barrier of Lucian's parents' disapproval. They chose to cherish their friendship, offering each other comfort and solace. Eventually, Lucian was compelled to travel to a distant city for work. "Elara," he told her, "I must leave for a time, but I will write to you." Elara, though saddened, understood. "I will miss you, Lucian," she said. "Please be careful." They embraced, promising to remain connected. In the city, Lucian thrived, his talents and ambition leading him to great success. He faithfully corresponded with Elara, sharing his experiences and thoughts. Elara, in turn, wrote of her life in the village, their letters weaving a tapestry of shared emotions and experiences. As time passed, Lucian achieved considerable wealth and influence. He aided his family, but his thoughts always returned to Elara. He still loved her, his heart yearning for her presence. Elara, too, never forgot Lucian, her heart warmed by news of his accomplishments. Finally, Lucian decided to return to the village. He longed to see Elara, to know if their love still held a chance. He journeyed to her cottage and knocked on the door. Elara opened it, her eyes widening in surprise. "Lucian," she breathed. "Elara," he responded, his voice filled with emotion, "I have returned." They spent hours reminiscing, sharing stories and laughter. Lucian then confessed, "Elara, my love for you has never diminished. I want to be with you." Elara was overjoyed yet hesitant. "Lucian," she cautioned, "what of your parents?" Lucian replied, "I have built a life for myself. I am no longer dependent on their approval. I can provide for us." Elara, deeply touched by his unwavering devotion, said, "Lucian, I am so proud of you, but I do not wish to cause further strife." Lucian countered, "Elara, my happiness lies with you. I will not be denied. Elara and Lucian, their love rekindled and strengthened by time and distance, resolved to be together. They knew their path would not be easy, but they were prepared to face any hardship. They married in a simple ceremony, surrounded by the love of their families and friends. Though Lucian's parents did not attend, their absence could not diminish the joy of the occasion. Elara and Lucian moved to the city, embarking on a new chapter in their lives. They worked side by side, supporting each other through every challenge. Their love was their anchor, their strength, their guiding star. Years passed, and Elara and Lucian built a life filled with love, laughter, and joy. They were blessed with children, whom they raised with kindness and compassion. They never forgot their journey, the obstacles they overcame, and the enduring power of their love. Elara and Lucian lived long and happy lives together, their love a testament to the enduring power of the human heart. They knew that true love conquers all, and they cherished every moment of their lives together. If you enjoyed this story, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.